This video is going to be an introduction to binary. In my next video, I'm going to be building a binary adder, so I thought it would be a good idea to explain what binary is first, so my next video makes more sense, and I can just use this video as a reference for later videos. So, first of all, binary is a number system very similar to decimal, the number system we use every day, and decimal, as the name implies, has 10 digits: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And also, the weight of the place goes up 10 times by each place. So if we have a number like 1234, this is the ones place. Then we have the tens place, the hundreds place, and the thousands place. So binary, on the other hand, only has two digits, 0 and 1. So all numbers are made up of only zeros and ones. And instead of each place having its value 10 times more, it's only going to be 2 times more. So if we have a number like, say, this 1010, this is the ones place, this is the twos place, this is the fours place, and this is the eights place. So with decimal, if we have this number, it is 1 times 1000 plus 2 times 100 plus 3 times 10 plus 4 times 1. So if we just multiply each of the digits by its place and add them all up, we'll get the number, which in this case is 1234. Now, if we want to convert binary to decimal, we can do a similar thing with the binary place values. So we have 1 times 8 plus 0 times 4 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 1. And if we add that up, we get 10. So this number in binary is equivalent to the decimal number 10. So, like I said, binary is very similar to decimal. Like decimal, we can add, subtract, multiply, and divide it. So, for example, if we take decimal, and let's have two numbers, we can just add them up, carry over the 1, and in this case, that gets to 111. And with binary, we can do something very similar. So let's say we have this number and this number. If we add them up, we have 1, or we'll have a 0 here, carry the 1, 0 here, carry the 1, 0 here, carry the 1, and here we'll have a 1, carry 1. So in binary, 1 plus 1 equals 0, and then we also have a carry of 1. So we'll have a 0 in the ones place and a 1 in the twos place. Now, the reason we use binary in electronics is because it makes it a lot difficult for interference to mess up a circuit like this. So we can think of this positive rail here, or 5 volts, as a 1, and the negative rail here as a 0. And this way, it's a lot harder for a measurement or value to be changed into the other one. Like if we had an analog system and maybe we had 10 different levels that the power could be at, it would be a lot easier for some type of interference to change a value from one thing to another. But where we just have two things on each side, it's a lot harder for it to get changed all the way from ground to 5 volts or vice versa.